Step into the future of engineering training with Pneumatics VR by Virtual Mechatronics Labs. Experience electro-pneumatic and hydraulic systems